Camp Craft Box Summer Edition is back again. I'm Lynn Lilly and my team at Craft Box Kids and Crayola are teaming up once again to bring you a virtual, do-it-at-your-own-pace summer camp for kids ages 5 to 12. So if you haven't heard of Camp Craft Box before, let me tell you about all the fun details that your kiddos can experience this summer. Camp Craft Box is weeks of fun. We've got 8 fun themed weeks this year where your kids will not only craft and be entertained, but they will also learn. So once you get started, you'll head over to Crayola.com, get all the details, and sign up. Then Crayola will ship you a giant box of supplies of all the things that you see here right to your door. You'll get access to a private video hub over on craftboxkids.com where your kids can not only watch the videos but follow step-by-step photos and tutorials to make over 24 projects. And in addition to that, each week during our themed week, not only will there be 3 crafts that your kids can complete, but there will also be a lesson plan where our team of Camp Craft Box craft counselors will teach your kids some fun facts. We'll also give you suggested activities and activity sheets that you can print at home. So lots of fun to keep your kids busy all summer long. We'll also give you the opportunity to join our private parents-only Facebook group. This is optional, but a great way to connect with other parents and privately share your kids' craft photos and interact with the community. All right, so let's talk about everything that's included in Camp Craft Box. Once you sign up, your box will be shipped to your house. You're going to get all this stuff that you see here. So included in your supply kit, you're going to get a set of Crayola Classic markers, 96 count of construction paper, glue sticks, my personal favorite, glitter glue. You're going to get a set of creativity canvases. We're also going to give you some coloring books. So you're going to get the Colors of Kindness coloring book, as well as a set of washable paints and a spill-proof washable paint set. And let me tell you, parents, this is great because it eliminates the mess of paint. You're also going to get the Crayola Bright Pop cardstock pad. You're going to get a box of Crayola Model Magic, as well as scissors, a set of crayons, washable liquid glue, the Colors of the World coloring book, and the new Colors of the World fine tip markers. You're going to get all of this plus your entire membership for Camp Craft Box for $97.99. When you break that down to how many craft projects and all the supplies, it's literally just a couple of dollars. That's less than a cup of coffee to keep your kids busy for 8 weeks this summer. Lots of fun headed your way. Don't forget, we've got more options. So if you have more than one child that wants to participate, you can find out all about our deluxe kit, which is great for 2 kids. And you can find out more information if you've got a large summer camp group or school that wants to do it as a large group. All right, now who's ready to join me and the other Camp Craft Box counselors for a fun summer? I'm excited to see you. Remember, head to Crayola.com to get signed up and find out more.